So I'm pretty hyped about this because honestly, I just been seeing this for a minute. I know I had it on my car, but it's just time that I go back to these, especially because I have a video in the future that I'm going to be dropping. You know, it's gonna definitely bring these out when it comes to driving at night. So here we go. Yeah, they package these really good. So I caught these clear corner headlights. They ran me about 80 bucks on Amazon. Now, I know most of you guys are, you know, pretty iffy about these, especially because their aftermarket ones are just known for leaking and, you know, just getting stuff inside of the headlight. But honestly, I've had my luck with them. If not, I can just, you know, put some sealant around it. That way we won't have that problem in the future. But I'm pretty excited about these guys. And especially because I'm gonna be making a video in the future. Well, I'll just explain that later once I put it on the car. But what do you guys think? I think this is gonna look so dope, especially because the car is murdered out. I got some silver on it, I got some red on it, so it's gonna be a really cool color combination I'm gonna be doing soon. So look at these, man, they are crisp. Golly. All right, let's go ahead and put these on the car. Well, let's close this hood. See how it looks like. God dang. Man, it looks 10 times better. I should have listened to y'all a long time ago. Now, best believe I will get rid of that egg yolk and the turn signal. I call it the egg yolk because they got that yellow thing right behind the white clear corner. I just hate it. So best believe, guys, I'm going to be doing something in the future. It's going to be coming soon. A video about all of that. Now let's check the other side. Let's see the comparisons between the two. Dang, man, it looks 10 times better. Let me get y'all in there. Wow. You know, I really did like this for a while, but once I saw some clear corners here and there, I just really had to change the look up. You know, with the car being red, black, and silver, I just had to get the clear corners. That, you know, the amber corners, yeah, I was rocking for a long time, but honestly, it just looks 10 times better. Let me just change all of them all together. Matter of fact, hold up, real quick. Let me get y'all off the stand. It's gonna make a little noise here because of the strap that I have on the camera. By the way, I got a new camera. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it focuses way better. But check that out. Let's see. Let's go to the other side. Sorry about the cicadas, Brodies. Just a bunch here in Texas. Wow, man, headlights really do change your car. Look at that. Those 3 stripes really just change everything, huh? Yeah, way better. So let me put y'all back up here. And let me change this headlight right here, and then after this we're gonna go to a car show real quick that's local around here, and we're gonna see how the car, you know, stands out. So let's get to it. Oh man, I cannot wait to do photo shoots with these new headlights, but I really gotta get rid of that egg yolk before I even do that, or maybe not. I'll probably just, you know, sneak away with doing a little edit here and there. But man, I cannot wait to go to that car show to really see my car out there. So let's get to that, Brodies.
spaces I have to use.
So how does it feel being a billet owner?
You know, rich boy status.
Yeah. How's it feel being the fastest 3.8 in the state of Texas?
I can't afford billets.
Oh shit! But you faster than him though, right?
Nah, that shit don't run.
With the who that with the Honda Fit though? Ah shit! Barnyard build.
Yeah, buddy.
Roadkill.
This is a real Cletus McFarlane. Like a.
This is the original Prius.
Oh snap!
Look at that. You need a light. I don't even have a light.
Man, the people don't gotta see.
I'm about to die. Look at that. Stop.
Hey, matter of fact, Sam is gonna copy your whole thing because he's black and gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey Sam, if you watching this with the Cobra, you copying my homie's whole drip.
I did it first. Just
Man,
saying.
shaking my head. That's badass, bro. How much power is it making?
5,000.
Damn, really?
KBB? 250.
Damn, 250?
Yeah. To the crank.
It's a badass car, bro. Alright, Brody, so the homies are taking some dope photos. Shout out to that boy Ant. And yeah, I'm just gonna end off this video, man. It's just a quick 5-minute vlog, those mini vlogs I've been talking about. Hope you guys like them. If you want more, comment down below. And see you till the next time, buddies.